something I was started. So hi everyone. Tamil or English? English. Okay. So today I came to Jockey showroom to buy a white plain t-shirt. Actually, I came here to buy a white t-shirt, but you know, Deepu bought sweatshirts, joggers. Actually, we came to buy one thing, but at the end we are buying many things, and she's in the changing room. She just came here just to walk around and do window shopping, but the reality is she bought this.
It's a sweatshirt.
Yeah, she loves sweatshirt, but according to her taste, she didn't get any sweatshirts. So this time, coming over here, she got what she liked, so she's buying that. A happiness in her face, 1000 watts bulb. So this is what I got: white cap, white pant, white shirt, and this is for Deepu got some shorts. I think I don't know what she got, but I got what I want: white cap and white shirt. Checklist done. She's seeing to buy other things now for me, but at the last, she's buying more things than me.
How much you get, I don't know. I tried all these things before.
So hello again, you saw us in the showroom, and this is the whole outfit that I got. I bought shoes in Bata and then a whole outfit in Jockeys,
Including the cap.
Yeah, whole outfit. Joggers, t-shirt and cap.
I bought a sweatshirt and a jogger. And
This
also,
looks nice on you too. Really nice, right? Really
I can't
nice.
see anything.
Really nice. Nice choice.
You should have it. I don't like
Yeah, I'll
it.
have this.
And this is my outfit and that is her outfit.
Yes.
From Jockeys. Jockeys. Not sponsored.
Not sponsored. As if they're gonna come and sponsor it.
Yes. It will be very nice.
Jockeys, if you see this, sponsor
Please
for us.
sponsor.
Yeah, getting sponsors in the video.
It's getting late. We have to eat dinner. And
Yeah, it's already 9:40.
we took almost one and a half hour in Jockey.
Yeah, shopping. Power of shopping. 1.5 hours spent like 1 minute. And
Yes.
also usually at 9:30 I sleep, but because I went out to shop, it is late now.
So we had to eat dinner and then sleep.
You know my timetable. I'm crossing the limit, so I have to go and sleep now. Eat, sleep. That's it. So meet you in the next video. Hope you
Bye.
like my outfit. Comment down if you like my outfit.
Mine
Drop a like. Subscribe to our channel. Many useful contents coming up. Yeah. Until then, bye from Ready. Bye.
Bye.